Hi guys, thanks for watching my first DIY here on YouTube. I made this using a deconstructed ornament from the Dollar Tree, a little wooden shadow box from Michael's, and the wreath is from Target, and that house is from Target Bullseye Playground if you recognize that. So keep watching and I'll tell you how I made this. This little box you can get at Michael's, and I think they have similar ones at the Dollar Tree for less than $1. And I'm giving it a coat of paint using the Waverly chalk paint in white. I like the chalk paint because it dries faster and it gives a matte finish. So I gave it one coat and then I gave it a second coat after it dried for a few minutes. And then I set that aside to dry. And I'm going to take my ornament from the Dollar Tree. These are so cute. And obviously you're going to remove the tag, and it's just held together using some thin wire, and I was able to just cut it with my scissors. It was really easy to do. The only hard part was trying to squish the scissors into that little small space where the wire was at. So you've got the two separate pieces, and then I'm going to just hot glue the truck to the bottom. And I wasn't exactly sure where I wanted to glue it, as far as like, did I want the wheels at the very bottom or the wheels hanging off the side? But it ended up working best to have the wheels kind of hanging off the bottom as far as getting it glued on securely. So that's what I did there. And then I went ahead and glued the Merry Christmas part of the ornament to the top. All right, now I'm taking this pack of wreaths. I got them from Target Bullseye Playground. They were $3. I think it came with 6. I've already used a couple of them. But I'm just cutting off the little thread that can be used as an ornament. I just want it to look like a wreath. And then this takes kind of a lot of hot glue, but gotta put some globs of hot glue around on there. It's kind of spiky, so if you don't do a lot, it's not gonna stick. And then just go ahead and press that into the center of the box. And then I felt like it needed a little something more on the outside, so I got this 9-foot berry garland from the Dollar Tree. This comes in red and gold as well, and I already used all my red up on another project, so I went with white on this one. And I just measured around the outside. I kind of wanted it to look like Christmas lights, or I'm not really sure what I was going for here, but I think it turned out okay. So I just roughly measured it, and then it just cut through the wire with scissors just fine. And I hot glued it to the top of the box. And then bent it around to the sides. And added some more hot glue. Ouchie, burned my finger. Good old hot glue gun burn. You know you've all done it. That one wasn't too bad though. And then I did the same thing on the other side as well. Also, my voice. This is a teacher problem. I've been talking too much, not feeling super great, so I'm a little bit raspy. So hopefully you're able to understand me, and that is my DIY. It's really easy, really simple, and I think it turned out cute. Thanks for watching.